Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
His hands just off the left of my eye is weird.
Okay, right.
How much longer are you guys going with the drinking?
Oh, he left.
Who?
We're not drinking.
Mav.
I'm drinking. I'm about to. I got to take a shot for Jack.
You need to keep the hostage secure. Fortify the room.
Damn it, I forgot my shield again.
Heyo. Yo, you see this? This is C4. If you don't do what I say, I'ma blow you up. Right? See that shit? Hable Espen Explosio. Oh god!
Hostage KIA.
Highlight for sure. I'm laughing.
What the fuck? Why would you do that?
I meant to hit F and I hit G.
Trust a fucking Marine with explosive.
Explosive Marine too, that's the worst part.
John!
I did not check left and right laterally.
Need to locate the hostage.
So
Call it bullshit, because I got sucked in, like on the comedy side of this, so I was just watching.
it happens, man. That needs to go on Reddit.
I mean, it's the first time he hasn't shot the hostage on attackers, so I guess that's
Never
a plus.
Well, else like I'm staying far away from this motherfucker.
Confirmed. The hostage
Never
has been engaged.
Hostage. His fault.